To edit a master arrow, find the master arrow that you want to edit and click the View button. You can make any changes you want to this header information, and when you save and close it, all of the unchanged occurrences will be updated. For example, if I reassign this master arrow to another user and click Save and Close, that master arrow is now assigned to Michelle. Now the individual arrows have all been reassigned to Michelle except for the one that was already completed. Any changes that you want to make, you can change the arrow type, add it to a project, change it from billable to fixed fee or vice versa, change the subject, add some comments. All of those changes, anything you change in this header information, will automatically be updated for all of the future occurrences of this master arrow. If I change a step on the master arrow, maybe I'm going to delete a step. When I save the changes and then save and close the master arrow, all of the individual occurrences of the master arrow will have the new step-by-step checklist. Notice that the change does not take effect in the individual occurrences until I actually save and close the master arrow, and that occurrences that are completed are not changed. Now, if I want to change the scheduling of the master arrow, what I need to do is actually delete all the occurrences that are already scheduled. If I click that button, it only deletes occurrences that, again, have not been started. It will not delete anything that has been completed or deferred. So now I can reschedule this. So maybe instead of the 20th of the month, I want this to occur on the 15th. And I'm just going to schedule it out 10 times. So when I insert the occurrences, the new schedule is here. I can add an extra occurrence if necessary. Maybe it's a master arrow to reconcile a bank account, but this new client, we need to do an extra one. So we're going to add one for the beginning of January, and that extra master arrow will be there. I can also delete an occurrence. Maybe there's an occurrence of this that is on a holiday or something like that, and we're not going to do it. So I can just delete an occurrence, and that particular occurrence will be deleted. When I save and close the master arrow, when I'm done making changes, Aero cycles through every one of the occurrences and updates it. So if there are a lot of occurrences and a lot of steps, it can take a while. Just leave that tab open and go on to do something else in another tab. The final thing I can do while I'm editing a master arrow is delete it. Maybe it's for a client that is no longer active and I want to just delete all their master arrows, or maybe it's a service we're no longer providing. So I can delete this master arrow. This will delete the master arrow, and it will delete all of the future occurrences. It will not delete any arrows that have already been completed.